Hey guys, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple, and thank you for tuning in to 2 Cents with Pineapple. And this is my first series of 2 Cents with Pineapple. This is where I'm going to just talk on things that is going on in Jamaica and around the world and giving my opinion. This is not a mix-up page, not a mix-up about it. It's just giving my opinion and giving some shout-outs to upcoming artists and all those nice things. So thank you for tuning in to 2 Cents with Pineapple. Officially, it is 2:30 in Germany, and I want to talk about Spice unblocking Lisa Hype and accepting the apology that she had officially made on her Instagram page. Lisa Hype, big up yourself. It takes a lot of courage and pride to come out and apologize to Spice after 12 years of dispute. That is a great thing of you, Lisa Hype, because some of them people are too proud to say, oh, sorry. And since the way 2020 is running, people are dead, people are get shot, COVID, all of them something we are going. I am just applauding you for being a woman to apologize to Spice after 12 years. Yes, people. And Spice as well unblocked Lisa Hype, and she as well as apologized to Lisa Hype. So as two alpha female, I want big up in a dancehall, and we are looking out for collaborations. So people, as you know, Regine King gets shot, and it's going to be the third time that they have moved him from an hospital due to security reason. So dancehall artist Regine King has been transferred to a third hospital after his team believed that his safety was compromised at Falmouth Hospital. His team said that they had security concern and wanted not only to ensure his safety, but that his recovery process would go smoothly as well. And it is the third time that they flew him out with a helicopter. I hear that gunman come at the hospital, rated and all of that. I don't know what is the real news, but all I'm saying, I am praying to God for Regine King to have a speedy recovery. Whatever he has done, people just put him in our prayers. There's always 2 and 3 sides to the stories, but we don't want to see nobody dead nowadays. You understand? Let us get our acts together and, send up some prayers for Regine King. The next thing that I want to talk about is Foota Hype. Foota Hype is a selector. I don't know if he's a selector, he's a vlogger, whatever he wants to be. I think Foota Hype is too much of a mix-up, careless mama man. Me not like Foota Hype style. Foota Hype always there dissing women, and he's not having his life under control, because if Foota Hype, if your life is under control, you would have something for your foot to walk around. You're under home arrest. Why don't you stay in home arrest and come out of girl business, come out of Gaza business? You're there, you're a class Lisa Mercedez and Jodi Couture. It's none of your business. When Joe Bangarash or whatever M1, you have frig out Aisha and you never have nothing to say. But now you have things to say about everybody else. Leave people business alone. You understand? If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. And if Jodi Couture was so much your friend, why wasn't it enough for you to tell her that in private? When make you have to come on social media, call the girl Yamen and all of them something. Me not find it funny. That's why with friends like you don't need enemy. Who know that popcorn song? That song, I love it so much. With friends like Foota Hype, you don't need enemy, because you have some people, them call themselves friend in your life, but they are just there to destroy you. You get me? Because my friend can't come on social media, come done me like that. You understand? It's better to do it in private. And everything good eat good for talk. You understand? You don't wash your dirty drawers in a public. You get me? You shouldn't have done that. Lisa Mercedez, whether she wants to just have an intro or have 2 lines on the Dance of Divas album. She was on the album. It doesn't matter. She's still getting piece of the cake. It doesn't matter how much is she getting, but she still get a slice of the cake. And that is what concerns we people as women. When we are got there and make our money, she make her money. To Jodi Couture, I don't know what's the problem there, but all I have to say, she was on the Tutanisha album. She's not on the on Dance and Divas album, and it's okay with that. Why, if people want to cuss over VybzKartel cocky, make them cuss over VybzKartel cocky. It burn you so much that the girl them not cuss over you. It burn you Foota, that nobody not, you're not relevant, you're not viral, nothing not go on for you. Nothing not go on for your Foota. You're always on your live talking bad about people, trying to destroy people. What make you can't preach some love? Preach some love, man. When it come on to female, preach some love. And all the time, mix up. Because we know say mix up go far, but it's not worth it at all times. You don't know what a person is going through. You understand? Nobody knows what Lisa Mercedez is going through. Just maybe your life, what you do, and a class her up. Make she could have maybe do something to herself. I know that she's strong enough to not do anything to herself, but you have other candidates out there that are not as strong and don't have thick skin. So we have to be mindful on what we are putting out there in the internet. We have to be mindful on how we class people. I know as an artist, them have to reckon, say people are going to criticize them. But Lord God, what make we as Jamaican have to beat with one so? What make we have to go on so bad? And especially the male them. I look here, I'm going to name me one female vlogger that I done female. A bare male vlogger me see I done the female them. And I do not appreciate it. When come like some bag of mama man. When worse than the female them. And that is what I have to say to Foota Hype. You understand? What is your 2 cents on this thing with Lisa Mercedez and Foota Hype and Jodi Couture? What is your 2 cents? Let me see it in the comment section. So people who don't know so VybzKartel son them a go live on him page the whole time. And them a control the page. And me a tell you the truth. Me love it. Me love to see when your kids them come up and just take over and make things that happen. You understand? VybzKartel, big up yourself for growing your children them right. And me a tell you say so when me did up on the live, I went on the live. But my internet never did give me a chance. God said not today. Yes, but it was overwhelming to see VybzKartel's son on his live, to see his wife Shorty on the live, and the whole family, him cousin Slimmatic, everybody there on the live, and it was so nice for him or them to interact with us. It was boomy. It did Vybz. It was just like I'm watching VybzKartel when I see his son. You get me? Don't forget, Dance of Divas album is out. You understand? So no go and purchase it. And once again, I have to big up Short Boss, because you don't know, say Short Boss are come out with a reality series, The Palmers, and it is already in shoot. They have been shooting already, but time to release the date is not yet spoken about. But I have to say, big up yourself, Shorty. You have a business mind, and listen to me, people. Ladies, I am saying to you guys, use Shorty as an example and be more focused and business engaged in everything that you do. You understand? When you notice, say, oh, she just laid back, and when she do the interview, even with Lava and them things there, you know she just laid back because she knows her worth. And it's very important as women that we know our worth. You understand? Because most of the day out here, we are run up and down and I claim this and I claim that. And it doesn't make any sense. Know your worth, work towards what you want, and make it happen. Because the cake is big enough for everybody to get a slice of it. With that said and done, big up Gaza family, is a Gaza thing. And big up everybody that is out there doing something to elevate themselves. You understand? Who vex? And that pineapple say, make sure say, if you are a fucker man, it will elevate you. Yeah? You see, if you are a thief, it will elevate you. Do something that is going to elevate you. Do something that is going to bring you to the next step. Stop being stagnant. You understand? And that me have to say. So that was 2 cents with pineapple. And thank you for tuning in and liking. Tell me what you want us to talk about next time on 2 cents with pineapple. I'm out. Gaza way.